The opportunity is unprecedented right now for anyone that is suffering with a tax debt issue to come to the table, cut a deal, and walk away with a much more attractive outcome than previously thought.
So you're saying under these new rules, if you owe penalties or whatever, it's going to be a little easier to make a deal. You may not have to pay all of it.
Yes, the IRS is, well, on a case-by-case basis, the IRS is giving their agents more power to settle tax debt. Again, the IRS sees the financial benefit from doing this. They're beckoning people to come in from out of the cold and pay something versus pay nothing. So in many cases, if people lack the ability to pay their debt in full, and we can prove that to the IRS, this is the best time in the past several decades to come in from out, to come in from out of the cold and cut a deal. Is it a guarantee that everyone gets a reduced tax debt? Absolutely not. If you have the ability to pay your taxes, you're going to have to pay your taxes. This is set up for people that don't have the ability to pay what they owe. So the IRS is even acting in greater good faith than normal to get those people to pay something rather than live and hide in fear and pay nothing. The IRS spends a lot of money collecting from these people, following people, keeping track of people, garnishing their wages, draining their bank accounts. That's very expensive for the IRS.
So this is an easier method. Rich, now, if you ignore the IRS efforts for assistance, I would imagine the world might not be well for you going forward. But
we have a joke here that people stick their head in the sand, not realizing that the IRS owns the beach.